Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. Happy Hump Day to everyone. Here it is raining. I hate when it is raining, but I know being in Charlotte, we don't get snow often, but we get rain more. So, but with cloudy, it makes it really harder to take him out for walk or anything. But it's a gloomy day again here, so it's a late start. I usually hop on before 9:30 itself, but today it got a little late. So I have quite a few announcements to make, so I thought I will make one after the other because we all are closer to month end. So every month we do have so many promotions goes on with Senegence. So let me go through one by one. Hi Bhavna, good morning. Thank you, da. It's a very quick get ready, I would say, because I was little late, running late today, so I got ready very fast. And what else? First thing is obviously Kiss and Tell is free this month. If you haven't heard of Kiss and Tell, Senegence has like a preferred customer program, so where you will. Hi Kusmalata, good morning. Thank you so much, dear. Good morning, Mansa too. So it's like I was little late for today. Usually I try to be around 8, but these days I am the in charge for Cloudy for his morning walk. So since it was raining, I need to come back and then I need to dry him a bit because since he is very small, he likes to lie down on the grass anytime, and so he was literally wet, so I need to do all those before I hopped on, so that's why it was little late. Sorry for that. So let me finish off Kiss and Tell first. So Kiss and Tell is a preferred customer program that's been introduced only in October end from Senegence. So the only difference is when you order through Kiss and Tell, you will order directly. Yeah, so it's like I know it's 10 already today. So Ram is in a meeting, so I thought, okay, I'll finish it off before that. Thank you, Da. Thank you so much. I know when what is the like West Coast people hop on, that means I'm late for today. So Kiss and Tell is a preferred customer program. So you directly order from Senegence website, but it's still under me. So you will get a referral link from me if you want to, but you can anytime go back and order from there if you know the products. The advantages are you get 10% off, you get free shipping of $100 or more, and the only difference will be when I always personalize and do things, but these are like if you are regular stock ups and other things, you can always go ahead and use Kiss and Tell, and there is always promotions going on, especially for Kiss and Tell. Usually to register for that, it is $10 for one whole year, but currently it is free, so you can always sign up. You can just add a product to your cart and just remove it in the checkout lane and just register it. That way you will be under me for one whole year, and you are not going to pay anything. It is like a Amazon membership or something, but it's just $10 for whole year. I think during Christmas and Thanksgiving and all, there were special promotions specifically for Kiss and Tell from Senegence side, so those are not run by me. So Senegence brings out some specials for Kiss and Tell customers. So if you are interested on, please ping me. I will share all the details and the referral link, and you can always sign up on that. And the second one is, if you like to sign up and do as a business, this month again it's free, and it's not only in US, we do have it in UK, Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Canada, Mexico. So if you are any one of your friends are in these countries, and if they would like to try the product or sell it, then they can always sign up under me and do it. I really love how much I learn in this business, and enjoy to meet you guys. Like otherwise I wouldn't have had the opportunity to meet these many new people and be friends with all virtually. So I have downlines where we what is it like think about what to do and all. So if you are allowed to be in our team, please do ping me. And as I said, this month it's free to sign up. So it's a perfect time for you to start the business. And the next one, every month Senegence bring a special sale on a particular product, and this month it was body lotion and hand cream. What better time other than winter to bring that, because we are constantly washing our hands. If you haven't seen our hand cream video, go back and watch it. Our hand cream gets activated every time when you wash your hands. So once you wash your hands, you just rub it. That way you get it activated and you don't have to reapply it. And it has a very mild like a baby cream scent to it, and I really like it. And the same way, body lotion and body cream as a combo, it is for $45, I think. Usually it is no, it's $55. Usually it is for $65. It is actually body lotion is my favorite, because I mix it with the half of a shea butter cream to give like a whipped consistency, so that I can apply it all over. And the same way, I mix my body lotion with my heel and elbow. Hi Jugi, good morning. Hi Kirti, thank you so much, yeah. And thank you so much for hopping on. I know I should do a little later, but I get to do everything before like a harsh sun comes out. That's why my lives are a little earlier today. Anyway, I don't have sun at all, so I don't mind doing it a little later. And so the body lotion and hand cream is for $55 during the whole month of it. Since it's end of month, I wanted to cover all the announcements in one. That way, if you are looking to do any one, you can always do that. And other thing I get pinged all the time is about the Instagram and Facebook workshops. Let me tell you what it is like. Every month we do send out samples. You can buy the samples either as a makeup sample, hair sample, or skincare sample if you are new. Sure, Bhavna. No, that's what what happens is sometimes, for example, if the Friday ones, if I want my husband to take the picture and all, he gets so busy after some time, and I won't have him for my pictures. So that's why I try to finish it little earlier, so I can ask him to take my pictures outside before it's too late. And I also try to do video call with my parents and my in-laws. So for them also it gets late if I do it little later. Most of the time when I call, my mother-in-law will be already in bed, but poor thing, she will get up and talk to me. So that's the reason I do. And as you know, I have Cloudy, so he sleeps around after his walk, and he will again get up for a snack time around 11:30. So I try to balance it everything in between. I try. If my husband is, I will always check with him for his meetings too, so that way I can ask him to take my pictures before he gets too busy. Anyway, I know after some time he's going to go to office. I need to learn to take pictures on my own. Maybe I need to move this tripod out and take my own pictures. So what else, as I was talking about, so if you are interested, for example, if you want to try about makeup, or if you want to try about skincare, let's take about skincare. What we do is we do give samples for 5 full days. So morning and evening you will be able to try. Same way, if you are looking for hair care, we had a recent hair care workshop which was really good. Actually, Jayanti from here, she even won a mascara actually. So that's how it is, like whether you learn, you play games, and you will be able to apply it and also learn it in depth. That way you get a sense of it and how it's going to feel on you, and at the same time you can win prizes. I think the skincare workshop also, I shared the prices this time. Many of them pinked because it had all blush shaded handbag, blush shaded earring, so many good things. So it's always for Facebook. If you're into Facebook, then Facebook group, skincare group happens every month on second week. Even I already saw the schedule for February. So if you are interested, you can always ping me and grab the samples. That way you will have them ready when the workshop happens. And these are like, you don't have to be on live to watch them. Facebook even though they do live or recorded videos, you can always go back. It will be in a separate group. That way you can go back and watch it and learn the product. Similar way for Instagram, they always store it it's in a private group, but they will store it in highlights for you. It will be shared in stories, and then it will be saved as a highlight. That way you can always go back and watch it and learn and understand all these products. It is like a learning curve to you, because for example, shampoo or a conditioner, we are always used to having so much amount of it and having so much lather. But when you are moving to a sulfate free or a paraben free shampoo, it's a learning curve, because it is not going to lather as much, because the other products will have that extra ingredient that just lathers and makes you feel like as if it is cleansing, but instead it's actually damaging your hair. Whereas when you move to sulfate free, as I mentioned, it will be like a detox process. You will slowly make your hair understand it to this new one. And yeah, thank you, Mansa. That's what I'm saying. So it is like a new understanding when it comes to the products. So, but once you understand, it makes it so easy for you to use it every day. So, for example, people who have when you start using it, it depends. For example, if you haven't washed it for more than 4 or 5 days, then obviously you are going to recur a little more amount. Whereas if you have already washed only within 2 days and your hair is not that oily, then it is like you will be able to go within less amount itself. So depending on your hair length, depending on the day, how your hair is, it all matters when you start using it. Yes, yeah, Bhavna, that's what I'm saying. So when you attend these workshop, it gives you a nice understanding of how it is and what is the best way to use it, because not everybody is same. So it can be different. For example, my hair is a very straight hair, whereas yours might be a curly one, so, and a thicker one, or yours is a thinner one. So everybody's hair is little different. As I mentioned, everybody's weather is sometimes different. For example, if the weather is too humid, or if you're someone who hits gym or workouts every day, then today I wore I think a goddess, but I topped it with the metallic nude glass, dear, because I saw the metallic pink came as the full size. Previously they both came in smaller size tubes. So metallic nude is one I always like to top it, because it has like a pearly finish, but it still has a brown tint to it. My eye had like more of a brown, so I topped it with metallic nude. Thanks for asking. So that's what I used. I mean, the same color is going to look little different when you do it with different glosses. So that's one thing. So as I mentioned, it was like $10 to participate in any of these workshops, but you will really learn a lot and you will get more products worth than the $10. Thank you, Da. Thank you so much. I really like when it has like a pearly finish. Certain glosses will have that metallic finish, but instead of glitter or shimmer, it will have like a pearl finish to it. So even we do have a very clear pearl gloss. So that is one thing. So I topped it with, because they brought back the metallic rose. I hope they bring back the metallic nude too, because they both are sold out shades. Sometimes I try to avoid wearing the sold out ones, because when someone asks, it will be hard. But let me show you my new organizers. So I got this one recently. I think people who follow me in Instagram might have seen it. So this is just my own Lipson's colors. So all these are my Lipson's colors. So I have separated them. This is the permanent shades. So these are 50 permanent shades, and you can see how many of limited edition we have. And I even stocked the lip balms here. That way we can see. Thank you. I know, I think of me every day. I need to pick a shade from here. I will be like going crazy to pick each one, like, because I love like each one for a different reason. For example, fuchsia is my favorite pink. I know Nidhi used to wear it all the time. Similar way, glam doll is another favorite of mine. So it is like you need to pick from this, and the same way I got a different one for the gloss. So here is my gloss one. Come here, come and grab it whenever you are coming, Bhavna. So see, this is a gloss one. So I ordered them from Etsy actually. So you can see these are just glosses, and I tried to group them. I know, Mansa. Like, it's like top to bottom. I need to pick something. Like, I need to pick my outfit. I need to pick my accessories, and then pick my eye look, and then my lip look. Hi, Kirti. Thank you so much. Yeah. So you can see the glosses. Let me show the gloss I wore. So this is the one I wore for today, Bhavna. You were asking. So this is the metallic nude. You can see from the bottle itself. Definitely come over. So this is the metallic nude. Let me see where is the metallic pink is, because that has been added to the. So you can see the Tesoro compared to this one. Let me show them next to each other. So this is Tesoro on the bottom, the new one, and whereas this is metallic. So you can see it has more pearl finish to it, whereas Tesoro is more of a glittery finish. And where is metallic rose? Still looking. Do you see my problem? This is how I'll be looking half of the time. Where is it? This is the page. Yeah, it's here. So let me swatch it for you guys. Yeah. These are smaller sizes when they introduced Bhavna. The Tesoro glass was a smaller one. Tesoro was here. Tesoro is a smaller one, which I did for the Valentine's Day collection. When this metallic duo came, they came as the smaller one, but the new one they have introduced as a fuller size actually. Metallic rose used to be very, very pretty. If you are thinking of grabbing the gloss, please do grab these kind, which will work really, really pretty. Let me show. You can see it is a very pearly pink, but it's a very pretty gloss. Like, I mean, I love both of them. You can see even in bottle they look really pretty. So they don't have any shimmers. Yeah, they don't have shimmers. So if you are still want like a like a metallic look without any glitters or shimmers, then these are absolutely very nice. That's why I wore this one. Because I wanted you guys to think of how pretty these are. Like, that way you will know you need to grab it. Let me top this one. Do you see? It's a very nice, and you can wear it on its own too. Like these kind of colors, you can always wear it. So this is metallic pink. If you are like a pink person, then these glosses will work really well, even with the new Bellissima and Amore. This will go very pretty, because those two are again matte colors. So adding a shimmer color, I mean a color like a gloss color like this will add a tiny bit of like a pearl finish to it, but at the same time you won't have like a glittery feel. I know many of them doesn't like being a matte color. This way it makes it easy for you to top it on. I pretty much love any gloss. See, previously last year they even brought back the during Valentine's Day, this was the collection they introduced. it was like 4 different glosses, all of them were like smaller sizes. So these days even I do the pH gloss. It's easy to grab because we all are wearing mask, but the pH gloss will stay longer like a lip balm, so it will leave a little bit of tint to it. So even if you are not wearing a Lipson's color for the day, it will still add a light tint to your lips. So pH glosses, or even these new, both of them looked really nice. I don't think I have Primrose with me. Even this one is another new gloss. It's again pink pearl gloss. I love all these kind of pearly finished glosses because they will really look nice for an evening look. And if you are not a what is it, like a pearl kind of finished person, then you can always pick our matte glosses. Bella matte or even Praline matte will look really nice. Maybe I should top one day just showing with how it changes. For example, maybe we'll do it today itself. By the time I finish, it will change it to a matte color. Where is my Bella matte? That's my favorite, my Bella matte. Let me find my Bella matte. Yeah, it's here. So let me show how the color changes to a matte shade. So for example, once you have topped with glossy gloss, I know this ring light has a very tough time when there is no sun. So here is Bella matte. For example, any color you can make it as a matte gloss. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just swipe out and take off the excess of the gloss I did, and I'm just going to top this one with the Bella matte. See, with each gloss the color is going to look little different. We do carry the clear matte gloss, and this one is my favorite Bella matte. Do you see? It's as simple as that. With the same color, just by adding a different gloss, you are going to make the color look little different. For the same color, you can make it to look different for a day look, and you can make it look little different for a evening look. So if for morning, I can top the same color with Bella matte, and for a evening look, I can very well go ahead and apply a metallic rose. So you're going to get 2 different looks even with one lip color, but 2 different glosses. So do you see how it became matte? So just, I always like to top mine with glossy first. Leave it for 1 or 2 seconds. You can just wipe it off if you feel like it is excess, and top with the this is my clear matte gloss. You can always top with any matte gloss and the color becomes matte. So it's as simple as that. So whether you are a matte person or a glossy person, we have a gloss for everybody. So the same color will look little different with any one of the gloss. So for example, if I wear the same one with this one, it's going to change the color completely. So it's more of a concept, I would say. So when you are a first timer, it may look little confusing, but once you start getting more than one color or more than one gloss, you will start to understand the process. That way you can pick different colors. That's why if a customer comes to me and asks me like she wants to pick two shades, I always suggest her to go in 2 different color groups, because what it does is that way even with 2 colors you will be able to make 8 different layering combos, and with 2 you will be able to make endless pre-mixing combos. So that's why I always suggest you to go in that way, 1 pink and 1 red, or 1 pink and 1 coral. So that way when you layer, you will be able to make it different custom colors out of it. And as I was saying, for Friday I take these colors and keep it closer to my dress and I'll be thinking, okay, this looks a little darker and this looks a little lighter, so I need to layer it or mix it in such a way that I get a medium color to match my outfit. So that's how I go with it and have fun. It is like like going back and doing your watercolors. You will have more fun as you explore. And these smaller glasses and smaller tubes gives you space for you to do more of them. So that way you get to have more colors. For example, the original Lipson's colors are 25. The smaller tubes are 19. Not every color is in the smaller tube, but we get once in a while for some limited edition they introduce the one of the new one, the Amore collection, is everything is a smaller size. So that's a fun way to start with it too. So I hope I covered everything I wanted to do. And as you all know, my next Monday is my birthday, so I am planning to do something fun for the weekend. So I'll finalize it and post it soon. Hope you all like it and participate in it. Have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.